Hello guys, today we are going to make a program by using this pot. Okay, let's start. I make here Blanc for this component. Okay, we have made Blanc, and next I go to offset zero point 0.5 mm on top of the Blanc. Okay, then I go to sketch and select bottom face and draw this corner to this corner and this corner to give MCS in center of component. Okay, select the bottom of the center this point and click OK. Okay, hide it. Go to workpiece and select workpiece and Blanc this. Okay, I have hide the Blanc. Then go to insert and operation, select your cavity mill. In this window we have to change something. Here I giving 70 and depth of cut, and also here 1 mm stroke and floor 0.5 mm. Okay, then here we have to change tool. I'm going to give 50 mm bull. Okay, here 50 mm and radius is 6 mm. Okay, then go for feed and spindle RPM. Okay, the rapid is I am going to give Z1 10,000. Click here. Okay, and generate the tool path. We have to select here tool. Okay, we have already created. We have to select here again 50 bull. Okay, generate the tool path. Yes, we have created. Here I show you how to remove the material. For that, I go to verify and click here. Like this, the material will remove. Okay, like this, 50 bull can remove. Then next I go to copy and paste. Here I'm going to change tool diameter. I give here 14 end mill, 14, and go to stock is same, containment is 50 bull, and here we have to give depth first, make a tool path. It's creating a tool path. Okay, it is completed. You can see here 14 end mill is removing these corners and this area hole. Here 50 bull cannot remove that corner, that is why remaining stock will remove in 14 end mill. Okay guys, next we will see remaining operation.